you're a buyer or a seller, hiring a professional home inspector to examine the property thoroughly is an essential part of the home buying or selling process. Within 24 hours following the home inspection, your home inspector should provide a comprehensive report that may contain information you don't want to hear. Fortunately, most of the items on the list can be manageable. It is very important to talk with your inspector to understand the areas you are not so sure about. Here are 3 important questions you should ask home inspectors after the inspection. Number 1, can you clarify the issue? There will be areas of the inspection report that you may not fully understand. Don't hesitate to ask for further clarification on an issue. The home inspector will be happy to explain. Second, how serious is this problem, and do I need an expert to evaluate? Confirm the issue on the report, find out how serious it is, and whether an expert is needed. If you are the home buyer, this will help you determine which items to include on your list of requests. If you are the home seller, this will help you determine problem areas that need to be resolved before putting your home on the market. Number 3, can you give me advice on which issues I should deal with right away? Some issues, if ignored, can cause more damage to the property. Talking with your inspector to determine which of these issues are a priority is an excellent idea. These 3 questions will help you gain more insight into the home's condition and guide you on the next steps to take.